Question 1. A global e-commerce platform receives customer support inquiries in multiple languages. Before routing these inquiries to the appropriate language-specific support team, the system needs to automatically determine the language of each incoming message. Which cloud-based AI service capability is specifically designed for this initial classification step? Option A, machine translation. Option B, language detection. Option C, sentiment analysis. Option D, text summarization. The correct answer is language detection. Here's the explanation. Language detection is the automated process of identifying the natural language in which a given piece of text is written. It serves as a critical preliminary step for many other advanced text analytics operations, such as routing customer inquiries to the correct language-specific team. Question 2. When integrating a cloud language detection service into an application, a developer needs to know the certainty of the detected language, especially for short or ambiguous texts. Which crucial output from the language detection service provides this information? Option A, the original input text. Option B, an ISO 639-1 or ISO 639-2 language code. Option C, a confidence score, typically between 0 and 1. Option D, a translated version of the text. The correct answer is a confidence score, typically between 0 and 1. Here's the explanation. The confidence score is an essential output indicating the probability or certainty of the detected language. This allows applications to handle ambiguous cases or low confidence detections appropriately, for example by escalating to a human or asking for clarification. Question 3. A data analyst is processing a large dataset of customer feedback from various countries. They want to perform sentiment analysis on this data to understand customer opinions. Why is performing language detection a crucial prerequisite before applying sentiment analysis models? Option A, language detection is needed to convert all text to a single target language for analysis. Option B, sentiment analysis models are highly language-specific and require the correct language model to be applied. Option C, language detection helps to identify character encoding, which is essential for sentiment analysis. Option D, language detection is only necessary for very short texts, not large datasets. The correct answer is sentiment analysis models are highly language-specific and require the correct language model to be applied. Here's the explanation. Sentiment analysis models are trained for specific languages. Applying the wrong language model will lead to inaccurate results. Therefore, language detection is almost always performed before sentiment analysis to ensure the correct language model is applied, leading to accurate sentiment scores. Question 4. What is the primary objective of text classification in natural language processing, NLP? Option A, to generate a shorter, condensed version of a longer text document. Option B, to identify and extract keywords or phrases from a document. Option C, to assign predefined categories or labels to unstructured text data. Option D, to translate text from one human language to another. The correct answer is, quote, to assign predefined categories or labels to unstructured text data. Here's the explanation. Text classification's main goal is to categorize entire text documents into one or more predefined labels, e.g., spam, not spam, positive/negative sentiment. Options A, B, and D describe summarization, keyword extraction, and machine translation, respectively. Question 5. Which text pre-processing step is responsible for reducing words like running, ran, and runs to their common base form, run? Option A, tokenization. Option B, stop word removal. Option C, stemming/lemmatization. Option D, feature extraction. The correct answer is stemming/lemmatization. Here's the explanation. Stemming, or lemmatization, aims to reduce inflected words to their root or base form to standardize text and reduce vocabulary size. Tokenization breaks text into words. Stop word removal eliminates common words. And feature extraction converts text into numerical representations. Question 6. A customer review platform wants to categorize reviews, where a single review might be labeled as both, bug report, and, feature request, if it discusses both. What type of text classification problem is this? Option A, multi-class classification. Option B, binary classification. Option C, multi-label classification. Option D, topic modeling. The correct answer is multi-label classification. Here's the explanation. Multi-label classification occurs when a single text document can belong to multiple categories simultaneously. Multi-class classification means a document belongs to exactly one category out of many. Binary classification is a specific case of multi-class with only two categories. Topic modeling is an unsupervised technique. Question 7. A user interacts with a virtual assistant saying, "Find me a coffee shop nearby." What about one with Wi-Fi? Which core CLU feature allows the system to understand that 1. refers to a coffee shop and apply the Wi-Fi filter to the previous query? Option A, entity extraction. Option B, intent recognition. Option C, context management/slot filling. Option D, sentiment analysis. The correct answer is context management/slot filling. Here's the explanation. Context management/slot filling is the CLU feature that tracks the state of the conversation, remembers previous turns, and allows for natural follow-up questions by resolving ambiguities and ensuring information gathered in one turn is used in subsequent turns. This enables the system to understand 1. refers to the previously mentioned coffee shop, and apply the new filter. Question 8. In the utterance, "Book me a flight to London for tomorrow evening," which part represents an intent and which represents an entity? Option A, book me a flight, is the intent. London and tomorrow evening are entities. Option B, London is the intent. Quote, book me a flight and tomorrow evening are entities. Option C, tomorrow evening is the intent. Quote, book me a flight and London are entities. Option D, flight is the intent. Quote, book me a and London for tomorrow evening are entities. The correct answer is book me a flight is the intent. London and tomorrow evening are entities. Here's the explanation. Intent recognition determines the primary goal, book me a flight, while entity extraction identifies specific pieces of information relevant to that intent, such as London, destination entity, and tomorrow evening, date entity. Question 9. Which of the following best differentiates conversational language understanding, CLU, from general natural language understanding, NLU? Option A, CLU is exclusively for spoken language, while NLU is for typed text. Option B, CLU focuses on single utterance analysis, while NLU manages multi-turn dialogues. Option C, CLU specifically handles context-dependent multi-turn interactions, whereas NLU primarily focuses on understanding single utterances. Option D, CLU only extracts entities, while NLU only recognizes intents. The correct answer is CLU specifically handles context-dependent multi-turn interactions, whereas NLU primarily focuses on understanding single utterances. Quote, here's the explanation. The study material states, NLU is a subset of NLP concerned with enabling computers to understand the meaning of human language. This includes tasks like intent recognition, entity extraction, and sentiment analysis for single utterances or documents. CLU builds upon NLU capabilities, but adds the critical dimension of conversational context and dialogue management. While NLU can understand a single sentence, CLU understands how that sentence fits into an ongoing back-and-forth exchange. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.